to wheel world today, we introducing the 1958 Chevrolet Impala. When you think of American automotive icons, this one almost always makes the list. The 1958 Chevrolet Impala, Chevy's bold new full-size coupe that made its debut as a top-trim version of the Bel Air, was more than just a car. It was a rolling piece of art, a symbol of post-war optimism, and a signal that Chevrolet was ready to define the tailfin era with serious style. It was the first Chevy to feature dual headlights, and that wide, toothy grille gave the Impala a face you'd never forget. The 1958 model stood out immediately with its low, wide stance, accentuated by that long, sweeping bodyline and the signature triple taillights. Unique to the Impala even then. Step inside and it's all classic charm. Chrome trim, two-tone bench seats, a dashboard that looks more like the cockpit of a jet than a car. Everything was designed to dazzle. The Impala wasn't just about looks, though. It offered luxury touches like power windows, air conditioning, and even an optional push-button radio. Under the hood, buyers could choose from a range of engines, but the real beast was the 348 cubic inch V8, Chevy's first big block engine. It pushed out up to 315 horsepower, depending on the configuration, and when paired with the Turbo Glide transmission, gave the Impala a surprising amount of performance for a full-size cruiser. On the road, the Impala was smooth, confident, and built for long drives down open highways. It wasn't a sports car, but it didn't have to be. It was about presence, about comfort, about showing up in style, and with its X-frame chassis, Chevy aimed to give drivers a softer, more refined ride. Driving one today is like stepping into a time machine. You feel the road in a way modern cars tend to isolate. The ride is soft, the steering light, and the visibility is panoramic thanks to the thin pillars and massive glass. It's a car that invites attention, and wherever you go, heads turn. It's not just the design, it's the sound of the engine, the shine of the chrome. The whole aura of the machine in 1958 was the only year this first-generation Impala existed in its original form. By '59, the design would evolve dramatically. But this was the start of a legend. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement, and it still turns heads more than 60 years later. The 1958 Chevrolet Impala. Not just a chapter in automotive history, an icon that still speaks volumes, even at a whisper.